Welcome to our video on an important topic for Hyundai Ioniq owners. If you've recently replaced your alternator and notice that the battery warning light remains on, you're in the right place. We'll explain why this happens and how to fix it. This video is for Hyundai Ioniq owners dealing with unexpected issues after alternator replacement. Many experience confusion and frustration when the battery light won't turn off, fearing battery drain, or worse, a breakdown. Let's clear things up for you. The battery warning light indicates a problem with the charging system, not just the battery. Even with a brand new alternator, certain issues might cause this light to stay on. We'll explore these and their solutions step by step. Let's start with connections. The new alternator might not be properly connected. Loose or corroded terminals can hinder the flow of electricity. Ensuring tight connections and cleaning terminals can often resolve the issue and turn off the warning light. Next, check for defective parts. Even new alternators can be faulty. Testing alternator output with a multimeter can reveal if it's charging the battery adequately. Measurements should show a reading between 13 and 5 and 14, 5 volts. Examine the drive belt. A loose or worn out belt might not efficiently spin the alternator. Adjusting the tension or replacing the belt can restore proper function. This is often overlooked, but crucial for alternator performance. The battery itself might be the problem even after alternator replacement. Batteries age and fail over time. An old or damaged battery may not hold a charge, triggering the warning light. And testing the battery's health can verify this. The ECU or engine control unit plays a role too. It regulates the charging system based on demand. If the warning light remains, resetting the ECU might help. Disconnect the battery for several minutes, reconnect and check the light. Some take their cars to professional mechanics without trying simple checks first. This video presents potential solutions you can explore before spending money on a repair shop. And it's often empowering to troubleshoot basic issues on your own. Consider other electrical components. Faulty sensors or electrical shorts can cause malfunction warnings, even if the alternator is brand new. Inspecting, wiring and related parts can sometimes reveal the underlying problem. Pro tip, keep a digital multimeter handy. It's a valuable tool for diagnosing electrical issues and can help assess the health of your alternator, battery, and wiring, providing instant feedback wherever you are. Another aspect is aftermarket alternators. They might not match original specs, leading to compatibility issues. Always check that replacements are designed specifically for the Hyundai Ioniq to prevent discrepancies in performance. Remember that environmental factors also impact the vehicle's electrical system. Extreme temperatures and humidity can affect alternator and battery life. Regular maintenance can help counteract these elements and ensure longevity. Check if your Ioniq has any pending software updates. Manufacturer updates sometimes improve system efficiency and resolve warning light issues. And visit your dealership to confirm that your vehicle software is up to date. Finally, sometimes the warning light is just a false alarm. Electrical systems are complex, and minor glitches cause unnecessary alerts. However, always rule out major issues by completing the checks we discussed earlier in this video. Now you have a comprehensive understanding of what might cause the battery warning light to remain on after an alternator replacement in your Hyundai Ioniq. Applying these insights can prevent potential problems and enhance your peace of mind. Feel equipped to handle this challenge confidently. If these steps don't resolve your issue, consult a professional mechanic for further evaluation. Your Hyundai Ioniq's reliability is our priority, and now you have the tools to ensure it stays road ready.